Hanukkah is Hanukkah, and hello. And that is why we are making Hanukkah Latke Waffles today. We are ditching the deep fryer and we are making the tastiest, most delicious latkes you will ever have. Happy Hanukkah. Oh. We are ready to light it up for Hanukkah. It is the festival of lights. Lisa, show us how to make the least stinky latkes in the entire universe, because latkes, when you fry them in oil, they have a smell, they have a certain scent. And when you make them in your Dash waffle maker, hello, easy peasy.
These are gonna have to come off.
All right.
You can keep yours on. I can't concentrate and work.
I have no problem concentrating.
Okay, in a large bowl, we have grated 2.5 pounds of potatoes.
Okay, can you use hash browns, frozen hash browns, or anything like that?
100%.
Great.
Okay, so we've added 1 onion grated and the potatoes. I'm gonna have, nope, we're not opening the waffle maker yet. Like what?
I'm so ready.
I know, but does it look like the batter's ready?
No, but
okay.
Okay.
Okay, we have 4 eggs. You're gonna lightly whisk those. Okay, once they're whisked, we're gonna add them to the potatoes. That's good. Add them to the potatoes. We have 1/2 cup of flour. This is really simple and fast.
You know, there are 8 days of Hanukkah, and this is like a gift that just keeps on giving. This is gonna be 365 days of Hanukkah for me.
Really? You're gonna make them every day?
Yep.
Okay, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1/2 teaspoon of pepper, and mix it up, and our batter is ready to go.
What is the difference between Hanukkah and a dragon?
Okay, you can tell your jokes and I'll stir.
One is 8 nights,
Yeah.
the other 8 nights. Come on.
Okay, so we're gonna take 1/4 cup.
Are you ready for the Hanukkah miracle?
Wait, why did it seem like it's heavy?
It's not, I was just being dramatic.
Okay, perfect. You're gonna just take 1/4 cup and you're gonna place it on the waffle maker. You don't even need to spread it around. The waffle maker will do that for you.
Again, the miracle continues.
Close it up.
Are you ready? One sec, I want to hear the sizzle. Oh my gosh, do you see? I'm getting a latke facial, people. A steam. This is a steam. I'm getting a latke steam. Look, do you see the steam? It's like a miracle. After a quick 6 minutes and a latke facial, we're ready to rumble.
Okay, so traditional toppings are sour cream and applesauce, but non-traditional ones, what's your favorite?
I'm gonna say either egg, a fried egg.
Oh, that's a good idea.
Fried chicken.
Yeah.
I would love that. This is our Hanukkah gift to you. For more fantastic Hanukkah miracles, check out our cookbooks here on TSC.